went to my work.
Oh,
It
let
was
us
working.
Don't worry,
What? How?
I have got your back. Look at this app.
What?
You can
Which
book a
app?
mechanic from here.
Which app, bro?
Fix on the go.
How?
Its name.
How we can?
Like you just go on this app and book a mechanic. He will come within 20 minutes, 20 to 30 max to max.
Yeah. Do you got any problem with your bike?
Yes. My liking is not working.
Okay. That is that. Your bike has been fixed. You're ready to go.
Hello Sharks. Have you ever got in this situation? Because I have been. Last year I was traveling with my family and suddenly my driver said we have got problems with our wheels. So we are on the road, we are in the remote place, we don't have idea about the near places. So I have for the safer side we have to go the nearest city. So which cancel our all upcoming plans and be back by 7 hours on our journey. So it's so frustrating, helpless, and tension situation. So we are introducing Fix on the Go. Fix on the Go is the SaaS platform where user can find the nearby mechanic. So by simple clicks, he can book a mechanic and go on a call or a video call and tell about his problem. And according to the problem, mechanic will decide the service and can go to their location or tow their car to their garage and many more things. And further, the market size of this sector globally, the RSA market is almost $23 billion according to the report in 2023, and its estimate around $44 billion in 2044. So the compound annual growth rate is almost 5%. But in India, it's still the market is still underdeveloped. But we are seeing some investment on this sector, like PhonePe having some investment on their private car part, and there are also startups like these, but they are different from us, like Fixigo, Roadzen, and Ready Assist, and further. The workflow and the valuation will covered by the retreat.
So Sharks, let me take you through a basic workflow which we are going to develop. So we will have two types of users basically. One is like the customer, which was created by Mono, and the other one would be mechanic, which was created by Dutch. We'll register both of them. The mechanic, of course, we'll register their work also, like we'll verify them. And so basically coming to the part of actually booking a mechanic. So when user books a mechanic, we'll confirm the booking and send a request to nearby mechanics who are nearby in that area. The one who accepts, if he accepts it, then well and go, we'll like draw conclusions from the data like over the time and payment and everything. If by chance the mechanic is not interested in taking the repair work, we'll again like do search it again. So, like we'll provide the request to nearby mechanics again, and the price will be negotiable by mutual interest of both of them. And on our part, we'll be doing some basic admin stuff like mechanic management and user management, and other like report analytics and dispute resolutions. Before asking and coming to the equity part, let me provide some transparency about how we'll be investing your funds. For team expansion, we'll need around 5 lakhs. For our product is in pre-market research stage, so like there's not much research done into it by us. So we need to invest heavily in market research. That's why we need 2 lakhs in it. For a finished product, we need another 2 lakhs, and initial market research we need 1 lakh. So we ask a total of 10 lakhs in return of 3% of equity. 3%.
So there's an existing product called Go Mechanic. Are you aware of it?
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you different from it?
The Go Mechanic is not basically like vehicular assistance systems. It's basically provides scheduled services. Like you have to schedule a mechanic and then he will come to your house, pick up your car. Our product is like whenever there is an emergency breakdown of a vehicle, you can book a mechanic in that way. The Go Mechanic does not provide it.
All right.
So 3% equity looks super costly to me. How about 12% equity for 10 lakhs?
Sir,
Can we go for negotiation? 12% for 10 lakhs.
I would like to offer
5%. 5%. I am only looking at 5%.
Sir, I'll do.
Get some percent. Get 5% for 5 lakhs.
7% and 10%. 10%. What can we discuss?
Sharks are asking 20 lakhs for 10%.
20 lakhs for 10%.
So 20 lakhs for the book. 20 lakhs for the book.
10%.
20 lakhs for the product. Yes.
Yes, we'll.
20 lakh, 20%.
Sir, the ask is negotiable, but equity will like to keep it at 10%.
Equity is non-negotiable. Money can be negotiable.
Can you do 30 lakhs for 20%?
Let me make it even better. 20%, 20 lakh, 1 year of free sales consulting from me.
Okay, deal.
Deal?